Meaning of ice water.
Ice water.
Ice water.
Ice water.
Ice water. Ice water is a term used to describe water that has been chilled to a very low temperature, typically below 0 degrees Celsius, causing it to turn into ice. This can be achieved through freezing or using special equipment such as an ice machine. The result is a refreshing and invigorating drink, especially during hot weather or after physical activity. However, consuming ice water too quickly or in large quantities can cause discomfort or even health risks, such as brain freeze, digestive issues, or hypothermia. It is recommended to drink ice water in moderation and at a comfortable pace.